everybody and welcome to Stretchercise. Are you ready to do some stretches just to get yourselves warmed up? Okay, legs just slightly apart, hands on hips, one arm up and over and bounce. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're going to swap hands now, that hand on that hip, this one up and over again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. Now we're going to see if we can touch the floor and maybe you could even touch your toes. See if you can keep those legs straight. It's quite tricky. Are you ready? Down we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, that was quite hard, wasn't it? Now stretch those arms out. Stretch those arms out. Round they go in a big circle. One arm and then the other arm. Oh, and your shoulders and your head. Oh, I think I'm ready now to do some exercises. And today's exercises we're going to sit down for. Well, for some of them anyhow. Are you ready? I'm going to get down on the floor and I'm going to sit with my legs out. And then I'm going to make a shape. It's going to be a triangle, but I'm going to put my legs like that today. So we've got 1, 2, 3 corners to make a triangle and 3 sides. Now, this is quite tricky. You know we touch the floor. Now we're going to see if we can touch our toes. So your hand over, you're going to go bounce, 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 bounce. Did you bounce enough times? Let's try again. And bounce, 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 bounce. Good job. Let's try that toe. That one looks further away from me. Let's see if you can do it. You ready? And bounce, 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 bounce. Bertie, you can't have your ball at the minute. What is he like? I don't know. Now, up onto your knees. Going to go on all fours. This one's quite tricky because you're going to do some balancing now. So you're going to use one leg and you're going to lift it up high. Can you hold your leg up high? You can have it out straight. You can have it bent, whatever you would like. Can you hold it up? Wow, that's a good job. Put that leg down. Now let's try the other leg. You ready? I'm going to have that one up as high as I can get it. I'm not very bendy, am I? And then I'm going to over my leg like that. Whoa, stretch. And back down. Now I'm going to see if I can do it with my arm. Ooh, it's wobbly. It's wobbly. Are you falling over? Ooh, wobbling. Oh dear. Bertie, can I do the other one, do you think? Oh, it's so wobbly, Bertie. I'm a bit worried. Oh, I did it. I've had an idea. Shall we do one leg and one arm? But don't do the same side. You've got to do opposite sides. So I'm going to do that leg and I'm going to do that arm. Okay, so my right leg and my left arm. Okay, you ready? Do it together simultaneously. That means together. You ready? Up it goes. Wow, Bertie, I can do it. Oh, can I bend my leg as well? Oh, that's so scary. I'm going to wobble. Oh, I nearly fell that time. Let's do the other side, the other opposite. So our right arm and our left leg. Are you ready? Oh, Bertie, Bertie, I'm doing it. Oh, Bertie's really proud of me. And he said he's really proud of you too. Whoa. God, that was quite risky, wasn't it? Today, we're not going to play What's in the Bag. We're going to play What's Under the Blanket. Yay! Oh, listen. Now, can you guess what's under the blue and white blanket? Bertie's quite keen to guess. Have a listen, Bertie. Oh, it's got a long, pointy tail. Very long, pointy tail. And it's got 1, 2, 3, 4 legs. Something with a long, pointy tail and 4 legs. And that means it's got 4 feet as well, because there's a foot at the end of every leg. It's got a long tail that goes up to a very, very big body. It's quite oval shaped, flat on the bottom and rounder at the top. But it's not a shell. No, it isn't a tortoise, Bertie. It isn't a tortoise. Are you looking for your ball? Where have you put your ball? Right, here you go. Sorry, everybody. There's your ball, Bertie. Now, oh, at the end of his very big body, he's got a long neck and a very strangely shaped face with a sort of beaky kind of mouth, but it's not really a beak. And all along his back, there's 2 rows of something pointy. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 pointy things that side. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 pointy things that side. And then on his tail, I missed this, he's got some pointy bits on his tail as well. Let me bring it a bit closer to you. Oh, I wonder if you've guessed what it is, because I would never have guessed this. So it's something quite big. I don't think they're alive anymore. I think they're extinct. Don't know if that helps you at all. In fact, I know they're extinct because I definitely haven't seen any of these down Riverside Park. Shall we have a look and see if you've guessed the right thing? Do you think you know what it is? Are you ready to see what's under the blanket? It's a dinosaur! And look at all the pointy things that go all along its back. I wonder why they're there for. What job do they do you think? And can you see his little beaky sort of weird mouth? Now on his tummy, it should tell me what kind of dinosaur it is. And I expect some of you already know because you're very, very clever, but I'm not as clever as you, so I have to read it. And it says it's a Stegosaurus. Did you guess it was a Stegosaurus? Well done, you're super clever. Oh, Bertie thinks he could battle a Stegosaurus, but I think Bertie wouldn't win. I think a Stegosaurus would beat Bertie, definitely. Oh, the Stegosaurus likes to play ball though, doesn't he? Well done if you guessed it was a dinosaur, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.